Why pursue an MBA? Is it just for the sake of better pay? That's the obvious answer, isn't it? We live in an era where everyone wants to get an MBA degree. Hence, there is a massive hype around this PG program, which leads to many people enrolling in it without really knowing the purpose behind it. Probably that's the reason why business schools ask their candidates the why MBA question in their MBA applications or interviews. So instead of just jumping on the bandwagon, having a clear understanding of the purpose behind an MBA might help you get more out of your MBA experience. That's precisely what we are going to learn in this video today. We will unleash the top 5 reasons to do an MBA, but before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. The first reason that we have on our list is better job prospects. An MBA can aid you in breaking through a few glass ceiling on your way to the top of the corporate tower. This is one of the most critical reasons why many aspirants opt for an MBA over other postgraduate programs. The variety of topics covered in an MBA syllabus can help you build a wide range of skills that employers are really looking for. An MBA graduate from a good university can have an upper hand with recruiters as they pose intricate critical thinking abilities. And yes, a higher salary is one of the positive outcomes as you climb up the corporate ladder with managerial roles. It's easy to get caught up in our careers in today's hectic, fast-paced and competitive environment that we don't stop to think about what's going on around us. MBA programs provide the opportunity to achieve just that. The next reason that we have on our list is career transformation. Few decades back, it was pretty common for graduates to start and end their careers in one company. Today, you won't see many individuals doing that. The degrees of interest and patience have evolved, as have the dynamics of the business world. In the recent pandemic times, layoffs have become more common, which is why it's crucial to look out for career change when you anticipate your career graph stalling. And this is where an MBA from a prestigious B school can improve a magnificent asset for you. If you have been in a sales role for several years and now wish to take up a business development or managerial position in the same field, you can do so through an MBA. If you check the placement statistics of any good business school, you will see a large proportion of career changers, including individuals who have moved positions, industries, geography, or all three. Thus, an MBA can help you pave the way for C-suite jobs in different domains. The third reason on our list is personal branding. Consider your reaction if someone introduces themselves by saying, "I studied at Stanford University." You gain instant respect for them, right? That's the power of strong branding. Top-ranked B schools have strong brand identities that can aid in the development of your personal brand. Furthermore, the MBA curriculum includes assignments based on business model analysis, which enables MBA grads to analyze the stock of information numbers and data in order to predict and assort the threats in the business models. These assignments help students become strategic thinkers to design their own brand and business model. Many MBA grads have successfully launched their own startups that become billion-dollar unicorns over time. Sage, a software research organization, collated data on billion-dollar startups, including the founders' educational backgrounds. According to this research, business schools outperform all other competitors. Blue Apron, one of the world's most popular food subscription service, Cloudflare, a web-based performance and security platform, are just few unicorn firms that began at business schools. So if you've ever dreamed of starting your own business, an MBA can undoubtedly help you get there. The next feature that an MBA has to offer is the opportunity to learn managerial and entrepreneurship skills. Apart from the theory that gets covered in lectures, MBA schools have a lot more to offer which can help students learn more intricate skills. Skills such as public speaking, leadership, teamwork, conflict management, and negotiations. This occurs as a result of many projects, events, and assignments that students will be navigating through. Additionally, while pursuing MBA, there are other options outside of the academic realm to assist you in discovering your entrepreneurial spirit. You will find various student-led clubs on campus such as finance clubs, consulting clubs, and cultural clubs, which can help you work out your learned managerial or entrepreneurship skills. Besides that, many employers seek applicants who possess qualities such as entrepreneurship and credibility. Having a business degree tells employers that you have got what they are looking for. To put it in another way, having an MBA gives you instant credibility. The last factor that we have on our list is networking opportunities. When it comes to the corporate world, networking and relationships building are quite important, and an MBA offers a lot of diversity with students coming from various backgrounds and geographies. On-campus social events launch opportunities to develop contacts with the alumni and students studying different disciplines. You'll also have the chance to speak with industry professionals. Besides that, the MBA programs include group work as a required component of the curriculum so that students can learn from one another and be exposed to various business methods, cultures, and perspectives. Students will not only learn from their peers, but they will form long-lasting bonds with one another with the possibility of some of them becoming CEOs, partners, or company founders in the future. Jennifer Hyman and Jennifer Fleece, for example, they met in 2008 as section mates of Harvard Business School. 10 years later, they built a $1 billion company called Rent the Runway. The kind of reach an MBA offers in terms of networking scope is unmatched by any other academic degree. Hence, thinking about an MBA is worthwhile. The 5 reasons we just discussed are by no means definitive. However, these factors will undoubtedly assist you to get started. So if you're willing to add a postgraduate degree to your arsenal in order to fight the battle of business, dive directly into the introspection to recognize why should you pursue an MBA degree. That's all we have for today. I hope these tips are helpful to all of you out there, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.